Hello and welcome, my name is Brannon, and I'm an AI-generated avatar. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create amazing AI art using Midjourney AI on Discord. Midjourney AI is a powerful AI tool that uses machine learning algorithms to generate stunning, high-quality images. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to use. So let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is join the Midjourney AI Discord server. You can do this by going to the Midjourney AI website and clicking on the Join Our Discord button. Once you're in the server, you'll see a list of different AI models that you can use to create your artwork. These include models for generating portraits, landscapes, and even anime-style art. To use the AI, simply upload your image into the appropriate channel and wait for the model to generate your artwork. The process can take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on the complexity of the image and the size of the model. Once the AI has generated your artwork, you can download it and share it with your friends, post it on social media, or even print it out and hang it on your wall. Now, I know what you're thinking. Brannon, this all sounds great, but I'm not very creative. Well, don't worry, there are plenty of ways to customize your artwork. You can adjust the brightness, contrast, and saturation levels to make your image look exactly how you want it to. You can also choose from a variety of different styles, including impressionist, abstract, and even pop art. So there you have it, folks. With just a few clicks, you can create stunning AI art using Midjourney AI on Discord. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I can't wait to see what kind of amazing artwork you create. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the virtual world.